Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Shopify store step by step. Starting is simple. Go to Shopify's official website and click on Start Free Trial. Enter your email address, create a password, and choose your store name. This name will also generate your default Shopify URL, but don't worry, you can connect a custom domain later. After signing up, Shopify will ask you a few questions about your business, such as what you plan to sell and whether you've sold before. Once that's done, you'll land on your store dashboard, which is the control center of your shop. Now, the first thing you'll want to do is customize the look and feel of your store. Head to the Themes section, pick one from Shopify's free or paid themes, and apply it. You can then use the theme editor to add your logo, change colors, adjust fonts, and arrange the layout so it matches your brand identity. Next, it's time to add products. Click on the Products tab, then Add Product. Here, upload clear photos, write compelling descriptions, set prices, and manage your inventory details. After your products are ready, move on to setting up payments. Shopify makes it easy by offering Shopify payments, but you can also connect PayPal, Stripe, or other gateways. Then configure shipping rates based on your delivery preferences. Once all these essentials are in place, preview your store to make sure everything looks good. Finally, when you're confident it's ready, remove password protection and officially launch your Shopify store to the public. And that's how you create a fully functioning Shopify store from scratch. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.